Good evening, everyone. We are gathered for doing a debate on should women work or shouldn't. My name is Riddhi Patidar. She is Bhumi Verma, and he is Sarfraz.
Good evening, everyone. The topic of our debate, the topic of our today's debate is should women work or not? And we are going to speak against the motion. I am Pranav Chilate, she is Khushi, she is Ruby, and he is Dhruv.
So,
Women should be too.
should women work or shouldn't? The person who arise this question, shouldn't women work? They have no right to say that women shouldn't work. Women should work is important. So some points that women should work, uh, they they develop their skills, financial supports to their families.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, everyone. I know, and you know all very well that women are strong, but in some places, not everywhere, because women are very sensitive, and women thinks by their heart, not by their mind, mind, because their mind on his knees, and women gets emotionally very easily, and in case of business and jobs in case of business and jobs uh, emotional person don't need in the business and jobs, and women cannot handle the business and job, and women's need one life, okay, one to two life to handle the job and business.
You have
But women
you are wrong. You are wrong. The topic is women work. Women should work or not, and you are saying that women have to handle two lives. Women sensitive, and
No, so I'm talking about the women, not men.
so you talk about work.
No, I'm talking about the personality of women.
So you
His
don't.
point is relevant. His point is relevant to the topic. If a woman is working, so his mental her mental state got affected by his her job. Bec- Uh, most of the women are sensitive and they think by their heart. And
most of the.
Not all, but also research says that women, when women do work, they also feel stress free, and they also have less stress rather than women who are not doing work and who are being housewives or who are being in homes only. Because the
No, you are
just
right.
like because they're like खाली दिमाग शैतान का घर. Yes.
No, you are right. But women talk each other. They are stress free, but they are stress for men. And
Sorry, I couldn't get your point.
Women can capable to doing gesting too.
when two women talk to each other, when they feel
I'm not
stress free,
talking
but they
about
are
whether
stress
women.
for men.
I'm not talking about. Okay, fine. I get it. I'm not talking about when two women talk to each other, they feel stress free. I'm talking about that when a woman work outside of the home, then they have a less stress rather than being in a home only.
I don't get it your point.
Okay, fine. Let me explain you.
Can you explain me?
Uh, you said that when two women talk to each other, they feel stress free. But that's not my point at all. I am saying that when women go outside for the work, then they feel stress. It's not about talking to other female. They can talk. They okay. On the other side, the work is agar maybe the work woman is doing outside is their passion or is their is completely is completely of their liking or their comfort zone, then definitely they will feel stress free. It's not about talking to each other. You are going in a different path.
how can a woman be stress free after working outside?
Okay, fine. For example, I love dancing. Okay, I will do that outside, and I will do completely make my career in that, and I will do work on that. I will definitely feel stress free, no?
But what about family? What about your family?
Family also. Money matters. Money matters, and also family understanding matters. If your family is
It means both
understanding,
are literally different points. She's saying that money matters, and you are saying that the family matters.
if you have money, then uh, you keep some ad on home, and then her point is
Care
that
to your family and extra child care.
But 90% of women's always thinking about the makeup, shopping,
90%.
it's not about so it's their needs.
So-
It's their needs. Man also thinks about their personal care.
we are not thinking about.
You doesn't think about that, then but still there are so many men in the world who thinks like that. They also spend on themselves, and they also definitely earn to spend on themselves also, not only the family.
I
Or
think you are getting this point personally. So
I'm not getting this point personally. I'm just explaining whatever you are saying on contract.
And my point of view, uh, women have a lot of pressure, family responsibilities. Some argues they have do a child care and responsibilities. So what they do?
Nowadays, women are that much capable to handle both work life and the family pressure also. They can manage both equally.
Okay, but according to statistics, most of the women are not being able to take care of both of them, because if you will see the stats, you can see that most of the women says that they are not able to keep their child happy with doing work outside. If they are doing work outside, then they can't completely be they can't completely give time to either of both of them, or either their child or either their job.
Okay. It's an exception. There is an exception in every case. Okay, so it's an exception if some are not happy. Here, family point of view comes that your family is not supporting or not understanding your needs and everything. Not only women are responsible for family or for their child. Always, if a man and woman get married, they both have equal responsibilities. So if woman is working, if man is working outside, then what do you mean by that? That they had no responsibilities on their child. Same as for women also. If woman is working, so men have to able to take care of their child and family also, no?
But a mother best take best care her child.
And it's not actually right. But there are so many cases. There are so many cases where, uh, in some cases, that woman dies early. Woman dies early, or they have only their child have only their father to take care of them. Then also father take care of their child in a very good manner. No?
So no matter how hard a father tries to keep his children happy, but a motherhood is a different thing. A father can never achieve the level of motherhood of what a mother could do.
Topic doesn't revolve around mother and father. The topic is should women go or not?
and there are some women they are greedy and they are very lazy. They cannot do anything in their life, so they get married to a rich man and
And then
for they spend their whole life by the money of.
Okay, so
But
I
in
want to
one family-
I want to elaborate his point that he's trying to say that working, doing a job or working outside can be a choice for women, because they have another plan B. They have also a plan B in which they can marry a man and become a housewife, in which they don't have to do a work. So doing a work or doing a job is not their primary point.
Yes.
but what about
Women can be capable to justice to the role of a homemaker and
but they manage but she managed that.
whether they are also
How
working
she
or not.
can you explain it?
Yes.
Explain.
As you said that it can be a choice. Definitely it can be a choice, but there are so many cases where they need to work, right? Women should need to work on and women should keep their work on priority basis. There are so many cases, as I told before, that there may be exceptions in every cases. So as you said that they have a second option to marry, but what about their dreams, what about their passion, what about their life? They
But
always have to depend on their husband at that time.
but right now, if we consider or look at the stats, then most of the women want to depend on their husbands. They don't want to work outside.
I don't agree with your point.
Yeah, that's your personal opinion, no? But most of the statistics are saying that most of the women want to just marry a man and want to take care of his house. They don't want to do a job outside. They don't want to, because their dreams are. I don't think so. They don't want to achieve their dreams because, according to stats, I'm saying that you can
Because
see
maybe they have a family pressure kind of that uh, the
that
family is stopping them from.
that is an exception, as you said. Exception are everywhere. That is an exception, but in most of the cases, women willingly marry a man and take care of their household and their child.
Also, girls are not stable on their choices of boys. They always
Okay. Can you repeat your point?
yes, I um, girls are not stable on the choices of boys. Not all women's, some women's, and their choices of boys, they changes of boys like and uh, this is a main point. In case of business and job, you cannot change a business and job like a boy.
Sorry, I couldn't get your point.
Okay.
Can you please explain this point?
Yeah. Yes, I can. When a girl are not stable, their choices of boys, they always finding a better person. And in case of business and jobs, you cannot finding a best job, and you cannot change every time like a boy.
Okay, fine, I understand. Yes, but
But
who
not
said
every
that?
girl.
No, not.
So
It's not about the girl or
so
boy.
I'm saying I was saying that some women, not all.
Okay, fine. That doesn't matter that every woman do that or not. But the point is that it is not relatable anywhere. It is not at all relatable to the both things are totally different. Changing boys is completely a different choice. Boys also do these things. Okay, fine. When our topic is
Okay, so
women should
you
work,
can say
so
this.
we should focus on that first. I want to say that. As you said that women can't do that in their business or job, that they should change. Why can't they do this if they had a better opportunity further? Like for example, they are working in a company, or they are not. I'm talking about just a job
It
here.
means
If
you
they are
will agree
working,
my point.
if they,
It means
I'm
you will
not
agree my
agreeing to your
point.
point. I'm just giving an
It
explanation
means
that
you will agree my point.
okay, fine. Give me just tell me one thing. If you have a better, you are doing a job somewhere and you have a better option, will you
So
change or not?
not.
Why?
No, I
Does
don't change.
growth or money
I
matters
will
to you or
not
not?
change.
Why would you not change?
No.
Why?
Because I'm loyal.
Okay, fine. You are in a package of 5
No,
lakhs and someone is
I'm
giving a
happy.
package of 10
I'm
lakhs. Then what
happy.
will you do?
I'm happy
You are
and I
still
will
being
happy.
loyal. You are
I
still
will
being
happy.
loyal.
I will happy.
Okay, fine. No personal need. Everyone has a different personal needs. Every woman has a different personal needs and different
And different
everyone
choices
wants
of
to
boys.
grow. Everyone wants to
And
earn
different
money.
choices of boys.
The topic is not the choices of boys.
Exactly.
I'm not
The
talking to
topic
you.
is women should work or not, and it's a topic that definitely women can change their jobs if they need a better opportunity further, or they need a better also, yeah, better money also.
Okay, so tell me one thing. Does working outside or working doing a job makes a woman independent or not?
Yes, also.
Yes, it makes sense.
Okay, so what is the definition of independent work, woman for you?
Taking okay, fine. For me, self-dependence, taking their decisions on taking their decisions by themselves only, not living on someone else's money, like husband on husband's money, especially if a woman is married, and also
Their personal choice.
yeah, it's their personal choice. And also, if woman is not married, it is
Okay.
a bachelor, then also she has to she has to take care of their parents also. If a girl is single child, then she has to definitely work and she has to take care of their parents,
Like
na?
Bhumi Didi.
Okay, so uh, so first of all, a husband is not the only man to whom women are dependent. Before marriage, they are dependent to their father.
Okay.
Okay, so as you said, if there is a single girl child, she has she has to take care of their parents. But first, the parents take care of the child.
It's
And
a responsibility of
if we talk about the situation in India right now, the in the parents, most of the parents, the father is only the working person, and mother is the person who takes care of the child and takes care of the household.
but as it is a time when no need of more money is required, but now a time is there is so much inflation, and not only one person can handle the whole family. So yeah, it is important. People are
If she's saying that the marriage is ruining the independence, so why the girls are getting married? They can work before the marriage. It's your point.
So I didn't get.
She's saying that after getting married, the girls get dependent on someone. Yeah, on the husband or on the family. So why the girls are getting married? They can't stay single and work for their families.
if you are saying that still girls are dependent on their parents, like only father is working, then why they are getting married to another, get dependent on someone else?
So if a girl is dependent on her father, and after a marriage, if she's dependent on her husband, then why is she marrying someone? She can be single and she can be independent.
That's what I'm saying, that she can be single and she can be get independent by doing work and by taking care of their parents, her parents also.
But I don't think so. Marriage is dependent on dependency or independence. A marriage is a commitment where the husband is also relying on the females and the females are also relying on the males. If a female won't cook in the kitchen, the males won't be able to eat. And if the husband would not earn money, so women can't do anything.
That's our point actually.
Tell me one thing.
Ancient time. नया point नहीं रखना है.
नहीं point रख सकते ना.
नहीं रखते.
You know,
Ancient time.
you know Rani Lakshmi.
Yes, I know.
He should.
She
Yeah,
used to work.
she used to work or not.
Okay, so I think you are not. You have not read it completely. Rani Lakshmibai was married to a man, and she was
But
she was the queen of that.
but he do work.
But when the time came, she needs to do that work. There was no one. There was at that time there was no one to do that work. So she stepped up and did that all the thing that she has to do. Before that, she could have choice. She has choice of doing all that. She could do such things, but she didn't do that because others were there to take care of that work.
But he do work na.
And also she is a mother, and she used to take care of her son.
Yes, she is a mother and she managed both the situations at the war and the.
After died his husband. Her husband.
Okay, as you said that she has a choice that whether she has to do or not.
And
She
she has a power of will. Why? Because of the king.
she is able to
Because of
do
the
that
king.
work after at
When
that time because
when she is single,
she was
so
capable.
she didn't.
Let me
She
complete
did.
one point. Let
And
me
have a
complete.
power of will. When she is single, so she did. She don't have any power of will.
Okay, fine. I will comment that I want I want to tell you that as you said that she has a choice. Definitely she has a choice, but she able to manage this after situation because she was capable of doing that. And how she has a mindset of that. She has a mindset that she can do this and she managed the both the situations well. If a woman has no control in their mind and no mindset like they can do this, they cannot.
Okay, so women, I think women are capable of doing most of the things even better than men, but that doesn't mean they should do all the things they are capable of. Right now, for example, if a woman is capable of doing uh, earnings, in our example, right now, women are capable of doing a job or working outside. They can do. They are capable. They have gone to school for that. They have education or experience for that, but I don't think they really need to do that or they should do that because uh, they they can rely on both. Sorry, they can rely on their.
Again, you are roaming around the point. Rely. Why should women rely on other? Why they can't rely on themselves only?
Because on relying on other they can take care of some things that they can't take when they rely on themselves.
You said that women are much more better capable than men of handling things and of doing things, so they can manage both other things
No,
also with
that's
the
the point.
work.
They can't manage it.
They can manage.
No, you
If
said
we
that she is a single woman. But
Who is a single woman?
Rani Lakshmi Bai, but she is a what was happened with her in the last. She died. She died. She couldn't with the his emperor and
Because she was cheated by the men only. Her own
you are there.
emperor men
You are
only.
there.
She was cheated by.
You are there.
I have studied by. Sorry, I have studied that.
I have also studied and I have also studied and
So why are you going in next?
I'm not talking to you.
This is debate and I am talking with all.
So I'm not talking.
Okay, talk to me now.
So let me keep my point from here. The child. For an example, the child who are not, it is a study that the child are more attached to parents, especially to the mothers, especially the female kids and also the male. If the woman or if the mother is not taking care of his or her kid until the proper age of the child, and he's not getting that much of maturity which the child needed, what will happen in the future? He or she will also give the birth to a similar kind of a child which shows the upbringing of her mother, and that will lead to more disattachments from the family.
You said that working mothers are not giving proper time to their child.
And they're not able to.
They are not able to, but there are so many rules. Rules have there are so many rules that women are getting maternity leave. Women are getting extra leave when they already gave birth to a child. They can work. Remote on also they can work from home also. There are so many opportunities nowadays.
They also do a part-time job.
Yes, there are so many. They can run a business from home also. if there is a problem of going outside, they cannot take care of their child in that condition, they can run a business from their home. There are so many businesses, like if we talk about the home thing, like achar papad is a basic business, and so many businesses are there. They can run from the home. From that, they can manage both. They can manage their
So
child also, they can
running
manage their
running a
home.
business comes with a lot of stress. If you are running a business, then you have many things to be to be taken care of. You have to write an example of achar papad. You have to make all these stuffs, and if you are doing that, then who will take care of the child, or who will take care of the household? And in that example, they have to sell their product. They have to manage reputation in market. There are many things which give a lot of stress, which can disturb the woman's mindset.
Why are you
And
roaming around the child only? If I said that they can run a business from in home, they may when she started the whenever she will start their business, she will consider all the things with it, and then after only she will start. Now her family will support her. If a point comes of a child that why shouldn't grandparents take care of their why shouldn't grandparents take care of their child at some point, like when her mother is busy.
what
Because they are also old, they will not able to taking care of themselves. So why they how can they take care of parent?
Then according to you, uh, then according to you,
No,
then according to you,
speaking please.
okay, I will. According to you, giving birth to a child and after
No, I'm not saying.
let me complete first, okay?
I
According
think
to you, giving birth to a child and taking care of your child is a complete responsibility of mother. Your husband's mother father cannot help it. The
no,
grandparents
because
of the
they are
child cannot
they are
be helped.
old and they will not be able to take care of themselves.
grandparents are not capable of taking care of themselves, then how can they take care of a child?
If they will earn
A
extra,
child.
if they will earn extra money, then they can get maid also. They can.
Okay, so a maid can take care of the child, but the motherhood comes from a mother, not from a maid.
Listen, we are talking
The
about
feelings a mother attached to his
listen,
or
listen.
to
We
her
are talking
child
about
is
taking
different
care
from.
of the child at some point, at some time, not always. Okay, we are talking about that. We are not saying that mother is giving motherhood is mother is giving the right. We are not talking about that mother is not taking care of their child, not giving them a proper sanskar. But we are talking about the taking care of the child at some time, for some time.
I see many women, they cannot trust anybody for taking care of her child. I see many.
And according to them, so father should also stay at home and take care of
Their child.
their child. So who will if the mother will also sit at home, if the father will also sit at home, so who will
Who said that mother has to say that father has to say that?
No, women can fulfill the or all the need of money. So men can easily take care of their child.
It is happening nowadays. Then women are working and men are taking care of their family and childs. It is happening.
It is happening, but that is a different case. If a father is taking care of a child, he can't provide him the feelings that a mother can do.
If
He can't
mother
nourish a child like a mother do.
If mother died,
He
so
can
what?
marry to other girl.
That's an exception if a mother died. If a mother died, then how can she work? She died. She can't even work also.
So you said that the father is not capable to taking care of her child, his child.
No, a father is capable of taking care of her child, his child.
father is
But
taking care of his child while bringing the stuff from the market? He is earning money for his child only. The taking care of, showing love of the father is the different thing. He's working for the child and the family. In the job, he's running businesses and job only for the family, for the kid.
of
And woman is there for taking care of the family.
It also tolerate the mother of children.
That's a different. Okay, a father can pay his child's fees. A father can bring things or toys for his child from market, but a father can't provide him nourishment or the feelings. He can't feed him. He can bring things. He can bring toys. He can bring different things. But a mother, how a mother uh, understands a child, a father cannot do
Father couldn't understand their child. You meant to say that,
like a mother do.
like a mother. There, if case happens like father dies, right? Father dies, then woman. How can woman feed their child? You said father is only feeding the child. Father is only earning money to feed their child, to give them a toys, give them everything from outside. They cannot provide the internal feelings of satisfaction to their child. They only provide them a money. They only provide them a toys. Then what if father dies? How can they? How can a child get a toy? How can child get study? And how can a child grown up?
That's
So-
the main point. The child is getting the mental peace and the mental stability which the mother is giving while staying at home and taking care of the kid.
But
Okay, so
mother can
if
also do this while working also, no?
No, if the father died, so who will take care of the kid? Who will take care of the child?
Okay, so you
Again, there is so many options. You can work. You can do a work from home also. You can earn by them
If the
also.
father dies, at that point the child need a mental stability, mental peace. If that's what if like someone's father died, so the mother won't go and do job at the next step or at the next day.
Not exactly at the next step, but for their child's future, they have to work. They have to earn money.
Also, the attention of the father has been gone. So they need more kind of attention, more kind of like taking care of them.
Definitely, women are capable to do both the situation, handle both the situation, and women are capable to handle both. Not exactly on the next day, but yeah, after sometimes she can manage this thing.
I agree with the Bluey's point. After some time, like if the child is mature enough, and the maturity will be provided to the child when the woman is staying at home, the woman will bring up the child to at a particular point like us.
Yes.
Till then we have the maturity, and at that point the woman can work and take care of the kid.
but to reach that point, to reach till that time, that woman have to depend at least on someone, at least
You take loan.
maybe her father.
Yes, I agree with your point that she has to. What if women can earn at least enough to live on? Women should. Women can earn before that enough, so that if they give a birth to a child, or they have to bring up their child at that level of maturity, so she can be a depend on herself. She can save money. She saved money from her previous work. Okay, she saved the money. She was earning first. She was earning before the marriage. Then she saved the money. Then she gave a, obviously, like, she married and she has a child, or she has a child, and then she has to depend, but maybe she has some savings from previous, so she can rely on them on that savings also that she has done.
Okay, so we are talking in a scenario where a child's father died, and a woman, the
No, we
mother.
are not talking in that scenario right now. I'm just
But we all were talking about that, in that particularly about that scenario. If a father dies,
I am giving you a reply of your point that you said that in that time period, when woman is bringing up his child, woman should depend on someone. Here, that point doesn't come that father dies or.
but your point is relevant only in that point. If a father dies, because a mother can is able to bring his child to that level of maturity. If father is there, then he is the earning. Then he is earning. He can provide things. Then
But in today's condition, today's inflation rate, only one person earning in a family is not enough. Do you get my point? That only one person earning money is not enough for both family and for the child also.
Can you continue?
Satras, keep your point.
Okay, you all are talking about child. So she should go
We
outside.
only bring that
We are
point here
debating.
that
We both have to talk, so we all are talking. So continue your point.
So she should go outside and work. Okay, but if she pregnant, so she so
there is a maternity leaves available for pregnant women. She can get a maternity leave.
She can
She can.
work at home.
It's available. I think legally it's available that if she is pregnant, then she can get a maternity leave, and she can take a complete leave, or she can work from home also. It
Okay,
is
so
available.
in pregnancy, working from home. Okay, so if she's doing any type of job or any type of business, as I said earlier, any type of job or any type of business comes with a lot of stress, and that stress is very harmful for the kid. So, if a woman is not working and she's pregnant, so there is not workload. So there is not workload stress on her. So uh, this scenario will be more healthier for the child.
But in that situation, they have a family. They have they have she has her husband, and she has her family to take care of other things also. Like if a woman is doing a business, like if we talk about the business, if a woman is doing a business, uh, she is not singly handling that business. She maybe has a team, she maybe has so many workers and peoples around us, so at that time they can handle that situation. She can be free from that stress. And if she is doing a job outside the home, so she can take a complete maternity leave at that time. It is available.
The maternity leave is not available for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. It is only available for some.
They are talking about the period when woman is pregnant, not giving a child, giving a
But
birth
also
to a child.
after giving a birth, the child is
This is a different situation.
it's not a different situation.
It is a different situation. At that time, also that the family can take care of their child, and as I said, that woman can escape working at that time period, as we were discussing earlier. That at that time, when child doesn't get that maturity, doesn't reach at that maturity level, they can. She can take a leave from that work, and after that she started work. She can start.
But according to the law, I think there is only 6 months maternity leave is provided to the mother, and in 6 months, I don't think a child can be this level of mature to.
I'm not talking about that particular. I'm saying that no, I'm saying that yes, she can definitely leave her work at some years also. She can leave the.
Okay, so for leaving her work for a year or maybe two. So during that time, she has to depend on the father. So she is depend on that uh, particular period of time. She is dependent on someone, maybe the child of the father or maybe her father. So at that time, she's not earning, but someone is earning for them.
So what? So
Can you explain your point?
okay, fine. It's completely not about the dependency. I get your point that you're saying that she has to depend at that time. Yes, definitely she has to. I am at that stage in my life that I am completely dependent on my parents, but I'm not blaming. But I know that I have to work after that. I have to go outside and go work for a, or I have to start my own business. I have a clear mindset because it's my choice. It's a choice, personal choice. It's a passion. It's a dream. It's a completed choice. And in a situation, if that time period she is dependent on her husband or her family, maybe the situation can arise that. She started feeling that like, no, I have to start working again. What about her choice? It's not about the complete dependency on other. I'm not denying your point that dependency is, yes, of course woman is dependent at some point, because our environment, our
Life cycle.
Our life cycle is like that women should have to depend, and also men are also dependent on women on so many points. So it's not about the dependency, it's just about the point that they, if they want, they can work and they have to work. It's a kind of that.
So what's your point?
Working women.
Working women have little time to take care of their
Working
families.
women have little time to take care. Family means what? Only child? You were saying that working women have a little time to take care of their family. Family means what? Only child?
No,
Families.
family can mean parents. Family can mean a pet, maybe a dog, a cat. They can be all their family. And if a woman is working outside, then who will take care of them?
आज के